3, 2, 1, start. Should be on the undesirable effects which the bill will have it enforced, and on the constitution of an independent court to decide disputed issues with right of appeal to the Supreme Court. Para. On a suggestion from a member, it was also decided to suggest that the 15% which will be paid in addition to the amount of the apparent consideration of a property as acquisition compensation should be treated as capital receipt and not as part of the sale price. Para. The panel discussed a note received from Sri N.B. Captain of Statesman seeking clarification in regard to the amount of prerequisites which will be actually disallowed under section 40 within bracket small a within bracket 5 of the Income Tax Act. Para. The unanimity of opinion was that the disallowance will be the total expenditure which the company has to bear beyond 1/5 of the salary of an employee or rupees 1 lakh whichever is lower. Stop. It was decided that the member be informed accordingly. Stop. Para. Sri D.S. Gill pointed out that expenditure on certain facilities provided by an employer was not treated as prerequisites. Stop. He expressed the view that only taxable prerequisites should be included in the allowance of 1/5 of the salary payable to an employee. Para. The chairman said that the committee should suggest to government that in so far as the calculation of prerequisites was concerned, the ceiling of rupees 1 lakh should be removed. Stop. Para. The board decided to address the Central Board of Direct Taxes on the above issues. Para. The board considered of a letter dated 26 October 1971 from Industrial Corporation Limited on the deduction of income tax at source on interest paid to bank on retiring documents for purchase of material. Para. Sri J.S. Gill, explaining the position, said that unless there was some obligation or agreement, interest had to be paid to the bank by the buyer on retiring the documents beyond the due date, which will be passed on by the bank to the seller's banker or to the seller himself. Stop. If interest was realized by the bankers of the seller, then tax need not be deducted at source. Stop. The difficulty, however, was that the buyer will not be able to know whether interest is being realized by the bankers of the seller or the seller stop and over। जहाँ स्टॉप बुला है वहाँ पैरे में लास्ट में ध्यान रखना, नहीं बुला वहाँ स्टॉप नहीं लगाना।